The most important things, we have the strictest building regulations in the world, not just in Australia, in the world. So it comes down to, if we're going to put solar on someone's roof, we have to go through the same process if you're going to build an extension, put a new veranda on. We've got all our structural engineering's in place, our certification, and at the end, I hand over all the information. We had Cyclone Tracy, which is about 45 years ago, that absolutely destroyed Darwin. And that's why we have the tough building regulations. I always get this question, oh, my sister has put a system on in Brisbane and it only cost $6,000. Yes, if I lived in Brisbane, I could do the same. But here in Darwin, we've got our building permits. And then we've got to put all our feet, the maximum of 400 apart. So that all adds up. Everything that we buy in Darwin has a freight component in it. So you add 5 cents per watt on a panel to get it from Melbourne to Darwin. So yes, if I lived in Brisbane, I could do the same price. In the top end, we've got the harshest climate that you could find anywhere probably in the world, from extreme heat in our build-up, humidity, and then we cop the rain, and then the winds come along with that. So with all our testing, the way that it's certified, engineered, put on your roof, is not going to blow off. So at the end of the day, by paying that little bit extra, there's a peace of mind in there. There's really a peace of mind. When it comes down to designing the system is what the people's needs are. So mums and dads are off at work and it feeds their fridge, the freezer, the fans, whatever they've still left running, and the excess goes out to the grid, come home at night, and they start drawing off what they put on during the day. So Mr. Jacana is the battery.